Number 1, start small. Break down your habit into tiny, manageable components. The idea is to make the task so easy that it becomes impossible to say no. For example, if you want to build a habit of reading, start with reading just 1 page a day. Number 2, habit stacking. Integrate your new habit into an existing routine or habit. This makes it easier to remember and incorporate into your daily life. For instance, if you want to develop a habit of stretching, do it right after brushing your teeth every morning. Number 3, be specific. Clearly define your habit. Instead of a vague goal like exercise more, specify the exact behavior you want to adopt, such as walk for 20 minutes every day after lunch. Number 4, use habit cues. Identify a specific cue that triggers your habit. This could be a time of day, a particular event, or an existing habit. For example, if you want to establish a habit of drinking more water, use your lunchtime as a cue to drink a glass of water. Number 5, immediate rewards. Associate immediate positive rewards with your habit. This creates a positive feedback loop that reinforces the behavior. For instance, if your habit is to write, reward yourself with a small treat or a break after completing a writing session. Number 6, track your progress. Keep a record of your habit streak. This visual reinforcement provides a sense of accomplishment and motivates you to maintain the streak. Use a habit tracking app or a simple calendar to mark off each day you successfully complete your habit. Number 7, make it attractive. Connect your habit to a positive emotion or identity. If you enjoy the habit or see it as part of who you are, it becomes more compelling. For example, if you want to exercise regularly, find a form of exercise that you enjoy and can look forward to. Number 8, commit publicly. Share your habit goals with others or make your progress visible to create external accountability. This public commitment can enhance your motivation and make it more challenging to deviate from your habit. Number 9, build identity-based habits. Focus on becoming the type of person who embodies the habit you want to adopt. Shift your mindset from "I want to do this" to "I am this type of person." For instance, instead of saying "I want to meditate," say "I am a person who meditates daily." Number 10, handle setbacks gracefully. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of habit formation. Rather than seeing them as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and readjust your approach. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and continue working towards your habit. Remember, the key to making habits stick is consistency over time. By incorporating these principles from Atomic Habits, you can create a solid foundation for positive behaviors to become an integral part of your daily life.